The boss is coming for my baby. Look at my son, he's leaving. I'm gonna miss him for today. How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode is just a little update. It's raining, it's ugly. I'm not able to use the garage for my episodes, so I'm looking for a garage right now. I want to see if we can get one, but in the meantime, this is just gonna be a little update on what's coming and what I'm doing right now. Okay, so last episode, Flex Seal, still holding air. I'm kind of crazy on doing this, but anyways, I did it. So that's the update on the Flex Seal. Is really good. Another update, I'm following right now a page in Facebook related to the 6th gen Accords, like mine. So they say that if you go to the dealer, you're gonna get a brand new seat belt in case yours is damaged. That is not the case. I called the dealer and I asked them if that was true. They say that the whole assembly is not free. If you get into an accident, they told me about a little part that they replaced for free, but I don't remember the name. But the whole seat belt is not for free. They had to order it, and I had to pay $600 to get this one replaced, because mine, it doesn't retract. Sometimes when I have it on, I had to push it in, because I think the spring is not working. So $600 to replace this. Plus, if you can see, this one, it doesn't stay in place because it's missing the little stopper they has in here. So mine, it goes all the way to the bottom. So I'm gonna go to the junkyard. I'm not gonna pay $600 to fix this, and I'm looking into blacked out interior, so everything's gonna be black for the most part. Everything's gonna be black, but I'm not paying $600 for a seat belt. Come on, dealer, you guys know, if you go to the dealership, how much they charge. So I gotta do that, but I couldn't make today. The episode is raining. It's kind of ugly right now. I'm gonna replace the wheel bearings, and it doesn't mean that the wheel bearing is bad. I wanna do something different on the front, and you guys gonna get to see it once this weather gets better. So that's why, unfortunately, yesterday I couldn't make that episode, but that's coming. I keep buying more parts, but I'm gonna focus on finishing what I have, because sometimes I just go to Amazon and just start purchasing parts without finishing what I have in hand. So that's my fault. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna focus on, as soon as I get the chance, do that episode, finish with the wheel bearings. I'm gonna focus on finishing the wrap, and after that I gotta start working on the headlights. So this is another update, guys. If you guys wanna get the new headlights on the giveaway, I'm gonna put that episode where I talk about the giveaway right here, but I'm gonna give you a little update and a reminder. I haven't seen anybody going to my Facebook page. First link on the description is gonna be my Facebook page. You can go there and like the page and send me a picture of your Accord and the year. If it's a coupe or if it's a sedan, send me a picture and like the page, and obviously you have to be subscribed to the channel, and that's the way I'm gonna pick the winner for the 6,000 subscribers giveaway headlights that I'm about to do. So as soon as I finish the wheel bearings, and I'm gonna focus in on finishing the wrap, I gotta go find my new bumper and the new headlights for the giveaway. These headlights, I'm gonna remove them and I'm gonna make another ones for myself. So I gotta go to the junkyard or get some on Amazon, new headlights, to start working on them. So like I said, you have to go to my Facebook page, like the page, be subscribed in the channel, and send me a picture on my Facebook page of your car and tell me what year it is. That's the rules, so you can win those new headlights that I'm about to work on, because I don't see anybody, like I said, going to my Facebook page and like the page and make a comment about their car. So that's gonna be the only way, because I cannot pick somebody from YouTube, because a lot of people subscribe for another reasons. Some people subscribe because I used to have the Subaru. Some people subscribe for the RAV4. I used to have the '09 Accord, and I do a lot of DIYs and how-to videos, and some people don't have a course. That's why I don't want to pick someone from YouTube and they don't have an Accord. So other than that, guys, that's all I have in this episode. Remember, you gotta go to my Facebook page, like it, be subscribed in the channel, and like that you're gonna be able to win those new headlights that are coming. They're gonna look amazing. They're gonna look really good. And just to get to 6,000 subscribers, you can get those headlights. Hey, it's a good deal, right? So that's all I have for this episode, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.